हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश विद शिवाय क्लासेस। आज हम पढ़ेंगे बीए 6 सेमेस्टर के फर्स्ट पेपर की लास्ट यूनिट यानी 8th यूनिट के एमसीक्यूज़, जिसमें है वोल्सियांका का वर्क द लॉइन एंड द ज्वेल। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। What is Volsyanka's full name? वोल्सियांका का फुल नेम क्या था? द आंसर इज बी अकिनवांदे ट्युलवाला बाबा टुंडे स्यांका। इन विच नाइजीरियन सिटी वॉज वोल्सियांका बॉर्न? कौन सी सिटी में वोल्सियांका का जन्म हुआ था? द आंसर इज सी अबियोकुटा। वॉट वॉज वोल्सियांका's फादर प्रोफेशन? उनके फादर का प्रोफेशन क्या था? द आंसर इज सी एंग्लिकन मिनिस्टर एंड हेडमास्टर। हु वॉज वोल्सियांका's मेंटर? उनका मेंटर कौन था ड्यूरिंग हिज स्टडी इन इंग्लैंड? इंग्लैंड में पढ़ाई के दौरान? द आंसर इज बी विल्सन नाइट। What was Volsyanka's role during the Nigerian Civil War in 1967? नाइजीरियन सिविल वॉर जो 1967 में हुआ था, उसके दौरान वोल्सियांका का रोल क्या था? द आंसर इज बी ही सर्व्ड एज ए नॉन गवर्नमेंट मेडिटर। ड्यूरिंग विच नाइजीरियन रीजन डिड वोल्सियांका एस्केप द कंट्री? द आंसर इज बी द अबाचा Ragmi. Where do Volsyankas work as a professor of comparative literature or a significant part of his career? The answer is B. इन विच कंट्री, कौन से शहर में वोल्सियांका ने पढ़ाया एज ए गोल्डविन स्मिथ प्रोफेसर? एक गोल्डविन प्रोफेसर के रूप में अफ्रीकन स्टडीज़ को के लिए एंड थिएटर आर्ट के लिए फ्रॉम 1988 से लेकर 1991 तक। द आंसर इज सी यूनाइटेड स्टेट। वोल्सियांका वॉज अवॉर्डेड, वोल्सियांका को अवार्ड भी मिला यूरोपियन थिएटर प्राइज़ 2017 में। उनकी किस कैटेगरी के लिए? द आंसर इज सी स्पेशल प्राइज़ फॉर कल्चर इवेंट्स के लिए। एट विच यूनिवर्सिटी, कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में वोल्सियांका ने सर्व किया एक डिस्टिंग गाइस स्कॉलर इन रेसिडेंट इन 2008? द आंसर इज डी ड्यूक यूनिवर्सिटी। व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट मेजर प्ले बाय वोल्सियांका? फर्स्ट मेजर प्ले कौन था जो वोल्सियांका के द्वारा लिखा गया? द आंसर इज बी द स्वैम्प ड्वेलर्स। इन विच ईयर, कौन सी ईयर में वोल्सियांका का वर्क ए डांस ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट विन ए कॉन्टेस्ट, उन्हें एक कॉन्टेस्ट जीता एक ऑफिशियल प्ले के रूप में फॉर नाइजीरियन इंडिपेंडेंस, नाइजीरियन इंडिपेंडेंस डे के लिए? द आंसर इज 1960। व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ द फर्स्ट फुल लेंथ प्ले प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय नाइजीरियन टेलीविजन रिटन बाय वोल्सियांका? द आंसर इज सी माई फादर्स बर्नर। इन 1964, 1964 में व्हाट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डिड वोल्सियांका को फाउंडेड अलॉन्ग विद द साइंटिस्ट एंड मैन ऑफ थिएटर? द आंसर इज सी ड्रामा एसोसिएशन ऑफ नाइजीरिया। वाई डिड वोल्सियांका resign from the university post in 1964? The answer is C as a protest against imposed pro-government behavior. Volsyanka's mother was prominent member of which influential family in Nigeria? The answer is C Ransom Kuti family. What was the title of the first figure-length movie released by Volsyanka in 1963? The answer is A Culture in Transition. What students organization co-founded by Volsyanka and 6 others aimed to combat corruption and seek justice in Nigeria? The answer is B Pirates Confraternity. How long was Volsyanka imprisoned during the Nigerian Civil War? The answer is D. 22 months. When did Volsyanka and other political prisoners who had been imprisoned during the Nigerian Civil War receive their freedom due to the proclamation of amnesty? The answer is C. October 1969. What literary figure did Volsyanka produce while in prison, despite being denied materials like books, pens, and paper? The answer is B. A significant body of poems and notes. What is the title of Volsyanka's autobiography work, published in 1981 and won an Anishfield Wolf Book, awarded in 1983? The answer is A. Eke the Years of Childhood. In what year did Volsyanka found other theatrical group called the Guerrilla United, focused on addressing community issues through dramatic sketches? The answer is 1983. Which Nigerian military leader replaced the dramatically elected President Snehu Sahagari, leading to Volsyanka's criticism of government? The answer is B. Muhammadu Buhari. In which country did Volsyanka stay at friend's farm after his release from prison seeking solitude? The answer is C. France. In 1979, Volsyanka directed and acted in a drama based on the life of Steve Biko, a South African student and human rights activist. What was the title of his drama? The answer is C. Biko Inquest. In which year did Volsyanka publish his collection of essays entitled Myth, Literature and the African World? The answer is B. 1976. In which year was Volsyanka awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature, becoming the first African laureate? The answer is C. 1986. In 1988, which collection of poems by Volsyanka was published? The answer is B. Mandela's Earth and Other Poems. Where did Syanka accepted the position of Professor of African Studies and Theatre in 1988? The answer is C. Cornell University. Which of Volsyanka's novel was published in 1989, inspired by his father's intellectual circle? The answer is D. Isara, a Voyages Around essay. In 2014, what award was Volsyanka honored with for his contributions to humanism and literature? The answer is B. International Humanist Award. What personal health issue did Volsyanka reveal in 2014? The answer is B. Prostable cancer. In which country did Volsyanka live in exile after fleeing Nigeria in 1994? The answer is B. United States. What is the title of Volsyanka's memoir, published in April 2006? The answer is D. You Must Set Forth at Dawn. Where was the play The Lion and the Jewel by Volsyanka first performed? The answer is B. 1959. Where was The Lion and the Jewel first performed? The answer is D. Ibadam. Who was the main character involved in the conflict over marrying Sidi in the play The Lion and the Jewel? The answer is C. Baroka and the Lakule. What major theme did Volsyanka emphasize in The Lion and the Jewel? The answer is B. The corruption of African culture. In what year was transcript of The Lion and the Jewel first published? The answer is 1962. When was the play take over and how many parts it divided into? The answer is C. Sunday, 3 parts. Which character in the play represents the traditional African culture? The answer is D. Baroka. What message does the play conveys about the youth in the context of African culture? The answer is C. They should embrace and preserve their original African culture. What is the setting of the play during the morning part? The answer is B. The school classroom. Who is the Viceroy, chieftain of Illuginle, the lion in the play The Lion and the Jewel. The answer is C. Baruka. What is the Lakunle's profession in the play The Lion and the Jewel? The answer is C. West mineralized teacher. What is the beautiful village girl who is wooed by both Baroka and Lakunle? The answer is Siddhi. Why does Lakunle confront Siddhi during the morning in the novel The Lion and the Jewel? The answer is B. To express his love for her. Why does Siddhi refuse to marry Lakunle? The answer is B. Lakunle does not want to pay her bride price. How does the village react to the arrival of the photographer in the morning, The Lion and the Jewel? The answer is C. They tease and ridicule him. What is the significance of the play The Dance of the Lost Traveler within The Lion and the Jewel? The answer is D. It mimics the arrival of modern technology. What does Baroka do after the play is interrupt? The answer is C. He orders a feast in the lost traveler's honor. What does Siddhi react to Baroka's involvement in the play? The answer is C. She becomes furious with him. What is Lakunle's reactions to the turn of events at the end of the morning in The Lion and the Jewel? The answer is C. She offers to marry Siddhi without a bride price. Why does Lakunle participate in the play The Dance of the Lost Traveler? The answer is C. He is eager to win Siddhi's heart. Where does the poem part of the play take place in The Lion and the Jewel? The answer is C. Near the market palace. What news does Siddheku bring to Siddhi during the noon part of the play in The Lion and the Jewel? The answer is B. Baroka wants to take Siddhi as his wife. Why did Sadiki attempt to conceive Siddhi to accept the proposal? The answer is A. By offering Siddhi privilege and a position as head wife. Where does the scene transition to after the conversation with the Siddhi and Sadiku? The answer is B. Baroka's palace. Why does Baroka react to Sadiku's report about Siddhi's response? The answer is B. He pretends to be weak and manhoodless. How old does Baruka claim to be in the known part of the play? The answer is B. 62. What unusual item does Baroka have in his bedroom in the play? The answer is A. A peculiar machine with long lever. According to Baroka, what might happen if Siddiqui eats supper with him? The answer is A. She will become his favorite wife. How does Siddhi respond to Sadiku's invitations to a feast at Baroka's house? The answer is B. She declines the invitation. In the known part, who tries to conceive Siddhi to accept Baroka's proposal? The answer is A. Sadiku. Who scorns Siddhi and Sadiku when they engage in a victory dance? The answer is B. Lakunle. What does Siddhi plan to do during her visits to Baroka's feast? The answer is B. Toy with Baroka and deceive him. Why does Lakunle try to stop Siddhi from attending Baroka's feast? The answer is A. He believes it is a trap. In Baroka's bedroom, what game or competition does Siddhi play with Baroka and the wrestler? The answer is B. Arm wrestling. Why does Baroka use his machine in the bedroom for? The answer is to produce stamp. What special honor does Baroka after Siddhi in the form of a stamp? The answer is A. Her picture would adorn the village's official stamp. Why does Siddhi choose to marry Baroka instead Lakunle in the end? The answer is D. She believes Baroka has more in his more life in him. Why does Lakunle react to Siddhi's decision to marry Baroka? The answer is D. He is stunned and hurt. What revelation does Baroka make to Siddhi about his future invitation regarding marriage? The answer is B. He plans to take multiple wives in future. How does the theme of the education and traditional belief interest in the play? The answer is C. A conflict arises between the spread of the education and traditional values. What role does song and dance play in the village culture? The answer is C. They serve as a mean of communication and sharing information. In the final scene, what does Baruka reveals about his perspective on the process and modernity? The answer is C. He acknowledged the need for process about the reservation about its effect. Who is the central character known as the village belle and the jewel of the play? The answer is B. Siddhi. Which character in the play advocates for modernization and believes that the village should progress like Logos and other forward thinking plays? Answer is D. Lakunle. What role does the Bale, मतलब Baroka, play in the village and how does he earn the nickname the Loin? The answer is C. He is the village chief and is referred to as the Loin due to his cunning. In the final act, how does Siddhi's confrontation with Baroka unfold and what is outcome? The answer is D. Baroka tricks Siddhi into making love with him. इसी के साथ द लॉइन एंड द ज्वेल से रिलेटेड और इसके राइटर से रिलेटेड होल सियांका से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज फिनिश होते हैं। आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।